Hey, I'm Justin with MarketSquare, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Let's learn about Liveen. Liveen is a mobile data platform that allows users to opt in to share their data and be rewarded in return. Rewarding users for sharing their data is a common theme for many blockchain-powered projects out there, but it's a solid one. These days, there are too many centralized platforms on the internet profiting from user data, while giving users no financial incentive in return. The Liveen ecosystem plans to address this issue by bringing their application to the unbanked people in Southeast Asia. Through collaboration with their ecosystem partners, they hope to expand their services in order to help unbanked people transition to digital finance. For example, in September 2019, Samsung's blockchain key store integrated Liveen. Here's how it works. First, Liveen will collect user GPS data in 15-minute intervals, compensating users with points. Then, points can be exchanged for Veen tokens within the app's built-in exchange market. Finally, users spend Veen on things like online learning services, shopping, or donations. Liveen's platform gives users control over their data, provides better data marketing to partners, and directly rewards users for their data. We're very pleased to have the Liveen Foundation as a partner of MarketSquare, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Follow us and subscribe for more spotlights on blockchain-related projects and businesses. And get your free account at MarketSquare.io. See you next time.